In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post on Substack. If you've ever spotted a typo after publishing or want to refresh an article with new information, editing on Substack is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it together so you feel confident making clean, accurate updates without disrupting your workflow. First, open Substack. You can do this in a web browser or the app. Once you're in, you'll land on your publication's dashboard or home area where you manage your posts. Give the page a second to load so everything displays correctly. Next, click your profile. This is usually your avatar or initial in the upper corner. Opening your profile area takes you to your publication controls and your list of posts. If you run more than one publication, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing, so you don't accidentally edit the wrong piece. Now, find the post you want to update. Look for the three dots next to the post title or on the postcard. That three-dot menu is your options menu. If you don't see it right away, hover your cursor over the post on desktop or tap near the title on mobile. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the right article, especially if you have multiple posts with similar names or a draft and a published version. Click Edit from the three-dot menu. This opens the Substack editor for that specific post. You'll see your title, the body text, and any images or embeds you previously added. This is where you can correct typos, tighten a paragraph, clarify a section, or add a short update note at the top if something important has changed. Keep your edits focused and clear, and try reading any revised sentences out loud to make sure they flow naturally. When you're happy with your changes, press Save. Depending on whether the post is a draft or already published, the button may say Save or Update, but the result is the same. Your revisions are stored. For published posts, the web version updates immediately. Keep in mind that emails already sent to subscribers don't change. So if you're making a significant correction, adding a brief update note in the post helps readers who view it on the web understand what changed and why. That's all there is to it. Open Substack, click your profile, open the three-dot menu on the post you want, choose Edit, make your improvements, and press Save. With this simple process, you can keep your Substack accurate, polished, and up to date.